Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you the easiest way to fix the Apple ID verification failed error on your iPhone or iPad. It's pretty simple, let's get started. The most common reason for an error when signing in to an Apple ID is related to a time detection error. To fix it, open the settings, next scroll down, select General Settings and select Date and Time item. After that, tap on Set Automatically. The date and time will be determined automatically. After that, return to sign in to your iPhone, tap on it, enter your email address, tap on Next at the right top of the screen, enter your password, tap on Next once more, signing in to iCloud, enter your iPhone passcode, tap on Merge to merge your contacts and other data. My congratulations, everything went smoothly. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day. See you next time.